How you doing? How would you like a free coaching session with me? Thursday, September 21st, 1 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be hosting a prosperity workshop, Your Right to Prosper. For the first 10 people who sign up, you'll also be signed up for a free coaching session with me. If you're interested, go to Coach DeCarlo1 at gmail.com and simply send the word prosperity, and we'll send you the payment information and get you signed up. Now, you don't have to be present in order to receive this package. Now, what comes along with the Prosperity Workshop, besides that free coaching session with me, you're going to also receive an hour Prosperity MP3 that you'll be able to listen to at your leisure so that you can get into the mindset of abundance. The workshop itself is $97. The coaching session is valued well over $250. And the value that you'll take away from that coaching session is far more than that. If you're interested, go to CoachDeCarlo1 at gmail.com and simply send the word prosperity and we'll get you signed up. Thursday, September 21st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time at $97. This is Coach DeCarlo saying have a great and abundant day.